How to protect workers in the unorganized sector. The organized sector offers jobs that are the most sought after. The word sought after means which are in great demand. For example, like government jobs, jobs in offices. But the employment opportunity in organized sector have been expanding very slowly. But the jobs are not available for people. It is also common to find many organized sector enterprise in unorganized sector. They adopt such strategy to evade taxes and refuse to follow laws that protect laborers. As a result, large number of workers are forced to enter the unorganized sector job which pay a very low salary. Due to lack of a better job, pupils are forced to work in unorganized condition. They are often exploited and not paid a fair wage. Their earnings are low and not regular. These jobs are not secure and have no other benefit. The people working in the unorganized sectors are exploited by the owners. They are not paid a fair wages and their jobs are not secure. Since 1990, it is also common to see a large number of workers losing their job in the organized sector. These workers are forced to take up job in unorganized sector with low earning. In organized sector also, in some organized sectors, laborers are exploited. These workers are forced to take up job in unorganized sector. Hence, beside the need for more work, there is also a need for protection and support of the workers in the unorganized sector. So, it is very important to protect these workers. The workers who are working in unorganized sector, they need some protection from the government. Who are these people who need protection? In rural areas, the unorganized sector mostly comprises of landless laborer. Agricultural laborers means the workers who are working on the land of moneylenders or the rich farmer. Small and marginal farmers, sharecroppers and artisans such as weaver, blacksmith, carpenter and goldsmith. Nearly 80% of the rural household in India are in small and marginal farmer category. In our India, 80% of the rural households are small and marginal farmer. These farmers need to be supported through the adequate facilities for timely delivery of seeds, agriculture inputs, credit, storage facilities and marketing outlets. So the role of government is to protect these workers from being exploiting. So how the government they can protect, like by providing adequate facilities for timely delivery of seed, by providing agricultural inputs, credit, storage facilities and marketing outlet. In urban areas also there are many workers who are working in unorganized sector. Like for example, the workers working in small scale industries, casual workers in construction, trade and transport, and those who work as street vendors, head load workers, garment makers, rag pickers, etc. Small scale industry also need government support for procuring raw materials and marketing of output. In urban areas also government can play an important role to prevent these workers from being exploitation. Like for example, the first is by providing support for procuring raw materials and for the marketing of the product. The casual workers in both rural and urban areas need to be protected. We also find that the majority of the workers are from the scheduled caste, tribes and backward communities find themselves in unorganized sector. Most of the workers who are working in unorganized sectors belongs to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and backward communities. Besides getting the irregular and low paid work, these workers also face social discrimination. They are discriminated because of their caste, because of their backwarded area. Protection and support to unorganized sector workers is thus necessary for economic and social development.